All right, everybody, welcome back. Get ready, because today we're diving deep, deep into something pretty amazing. Movement and nutrition.
That's right. How our body moves, how it works, what we need to fuel it.
We've got this awesome document all about it, and we are ready to uncover all its secrets.
Starting with, well, you, the human body.
Okay, let's start there.
So specifically, your skeleton.
Oh, the bones, the framework that holds it all together. So is it because of our skeleton that we're called vertebrates?
Exactly. That backbone is key.
So any animal with a backbone?
Yep. Hummingbird,
All right.
whale, snake,
A snake.
backbone. Wait.
Okay, I get it. So our skeleton, it's inside our body, right? It's called, what is it, an endoskeleton?
You got it. Endo, meaning inside.
Right. Makes sense.
Some creatures, though, they've got their skeletons on the outside.
Oh, yeah. Like a crab or a lobster.
Exactly. A hard shell for protection.
It's like their own suit of armor.
pretty cool, right?
Totally.
Right.
But back to our skeletons. So they hold us up, but they also do something else that's pretty important, don't they?
You mean protection.
Yeah. Our skull protects our brain, and our ribs are like a shield for our heart and lungs.
Exactly. Vital organs need that extra layer of defense.
Speaking of bones, can you guess where the longest bone in your body is?
Is it the femur?
You got it. That's the one in your thigh.
Supporting you with every step.
Makes you think twice about tripping, right?
Definitely. But all those bones, they need a way to move.
And that's where joints come in.
Precisely. The meeting point of two or more bones.
Without them, we'd be stiff as boards.
Exactly. Try bending your elbow.
Or my knee.
See?
Totally dependent on joints for that.
And each joint, it's designed for a specific kind of movement, like your knee, that's a hinge joint back and forth.
And the hip. That one lets you move your leg in all sorts of directions.
Ball and socket joint.
So cool how our bodies are put together. But even with bones and joints, we wouldn't get very far without
Muscles, the engines of motion.
muscles. They're the ones that actually make us move, right?
They pull on the bones, working in pairs to make it happen.
Okay, so how does that work exactly?
Imagine you're bending your arm.
Yep.
Bicep muscle, that's the one at the front. It contracts,
It's shorter.
pulls your forearm up. At the same time, the tricep on the back relaxes.
Ah, so it's like a tug of war.
Kind of. To straighten your arm, the roles reverse.
So it's a constant back and forth between those muscles.
Teamwork. And the stronger your muscles, the better they can pull.
Which means
I gotta exercise, keep them strong and flexible.
gotta keep those muscles happy and healthy. But they need the right fuel. Which brings us to...
Nutrition.
It's all connected.
Yeah.
So what are the key ingredients to keep this whole machine running?
You need a balanced diet with all the essential nutrients.
Okay, lay it on me. What are they?
There are 7 key players: carbohydrates, protein, fats, water, vitamins, minerals, and fiber.
Well, 7. That's a mouthful. Let's break it down. Where do we start?
How about carbohydrates? They're your primary energy source. Think of them like the fuel for your cells.
Especially when you're working out, right?
Exactly, need those carbs to power through. But then you need the building blocks too, and that's where protein comes in.
Protein, so that builds our muscles, right? But what about the, I don't know, like the tools that help put those building blocks together?
Good analogy. Think of hormones and enzymes as those tools, the construction workers inside your body, orchestrating growth and repair.
Wow. So after a workout, protein repairs those tiny muscle tears, making you stronger.
Exactly. It's not just about building new muscle. It's about maintaining all the tissues in your body.
That's incredible. Okay, on to the next one. Fats. Now, are all fats bad for you?
Not at all. They're another important source of energy, and they help insulate your body and protect your organs.
So there are good fats.
And not so good fats. Unsaturated fats, like the ones in avocados and olive oil, those are the good guys.
Part healthy fats, right.
Exactly. Saturated fats found in things like fatty meats, those you want to limit.
Got it. So good fats, bad fats. What's next?
Water, the most essential nutrient of all.
That's a given. We all need water to survive.
It's involved in practically every bodily function. Think of it as your internal transportation system.
Moving nutrients around, flushing out waste, keeping things running smoothly.
Exactly.
Now, these always seemed a bit mysterious to me. Vitamins and minerals.
They're like the tiny but mighty workers, each with a specific job to do.
Like vitamin D helps our bones absorb calcium.
Right. And iron, that's essential for your red blood cells, which carry oxygen all over your body.
Oh, so that's why I feel tired when I'm low on iron. It's all about the oxygen.
Exactly. And finally, we have fiber.
Fiber. What does that do? I know it's good for us, but why?
Fiber keeps your digestive system running smoothly. It's like a broom sweeping through your intestines, preventing things from getting backed up.
So basically, it keeps things moving. Okay, wow, we covered a lot.
We did. And it's amazing to see how movement and nutrition, they're so interconnected.
It all works together.
Exactly. It's about fueling your body the right way, moving it regularly, and understanding how it all works together.
Makes you think, what can we do with all this information to improve our own health and well-being?
Exactly. There's always something new to learn and new ways to challenge ourselves.
So maybe try that new healthy recipe you've been eyeing, or finally start that yoga class you've been thinking about.
Take care of this incredible machine, your body.
Well said. All right, that's it for today's deep dive. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay curious.
See you next time.